In goes Morata!
It's a superb ball in for Cesar.
For Germany at the moment, but here comes Japan! Oh yes! Did exactly the same in the game against Germany. Off the bench to score.
Well, a few Japanese fans I don't think can actually believe it. There we go, press, press, press and punch. That's a difficult one actually for Balde to deal with.
And here they come again, Japan. Into the danger area. Oh, it's in! Tanaka was wheeling away, believing he'd put his side 2-1 up.
It did look like it was out. It was really for Daizen Maeda. I mean, it was very tight.
Well, VAR are having a look at it. We're having a look at it. Did this ball stay in?